19,000 subscribers, only 150 views per video. I'm not trying to hide this. I'm putting this in perspective. As you can see, I'm showing this on the dashboard. A typical short gets 230 to 740 views, and the videos 60 to 120. I know I can't be the only content creator dealing with this problem. So here's what went wrong, and here's what I'm going to do to fix this problem. You see, this isn't a view problem. This is a subscriber mismatch problem. Fell into the trap of trying to go viral, meaning trying to get a video that had 20,000, 30,000 views. I have had success with more than a couple of videos to get 30, even 45,000 views. The problem with that is, people, is that those people who watch those videos, they didn't return. So I ended up getting some subscribers who only cared about those particular videos and not the rest of my catalog. So in other words, most of my 19,000 subscribers found me through 3 or 4 of my videos that look nothing like what I post now. They subscribe for that particular content, and when it changed, they stopped clicking. And YouTube noticed that. So again, you got 19,000 subscribers, but you're only getting 120 to 150 views on each video. The algorithm reacts to that and stops pushing it out to the YouTube universe. So in other words, it stopped recommending my nice high quality videos to other people. We get to a dead stop, which is understandable. So I've been penalized for my own growth history. We all fall in that trap, people. I'm making this video so nobody else falls into that trap. So here you can see regular viewers, 16, compared to unique viewers, which the unique viewers usually don't come back. So the problem is you need to build a community to where you have regular viewers watching your stuff. So here's what I'm not doing. I'm not chasing the goal of going for 50,000 subscribers. I'm not trying to go viral. I'm not going to post 5 videos a week hoping something sticks. Here's what I am going to do now. I'm going to focus on providing nice high quality videos for my next 6,000 subscribers so that I can build a community, a real live community, specifically for people who will actually watch, engage, and actually care about this channel, which is why I did a rebrand from Drone Dreamer to RVT, the Introverted Creator, because I didn't want to be held down to just talking about drone stuff. I know that as an introvert myself, how hard it is to get in front of a camera and be vulnerable and put yourself out there. When I first started, it was kind of uncomfortable. And so I had to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. And I know a lot of introverts out there have the same problem. So this is why I changed the rebrand and wanted to help with that. I felt like that would be a deeper conversation than just being a drone trainer, which I can still throw my drone up. I can still show you how to fly drones. I can still show you certain settings and certain features of the drones within this niche. But I can also show you how you can be an introvert and still create content. And see, that's how 25,000 real subscribers is going to beat that 50,000 subscriber goal I once had. Because I don't want 50,000 empty subscribers. I want 25,000 subscribers to where we can build a real community around the things that we love, cameras, drones, and create nice high quality content that we share with each other, and we talk to each other, and we help each other grow. So now this channel has a clear identity. Solo cinematic filming for introverts. So everything from now on is going to fit that. The drone content, introvert creativity tips, gear that helps you film without drawing a whole bunch of attention. So here's what I've already done in the last past 7 days. I've updated my channel description and my channel banner to reflect the new identity of this channel. Retitled 5 of my highest viewed videos with better keywords. I also filmed a nice high quality channel trailer, so y'all need to check that out. It's also a signal to YouTube that this channel has a real clear focus and a real audience. Having 19,000 subscribers, but you still have low click-through rate, you still have low views per video, and so you're fighting against the algorithm because the algorithm looks at you having 19 dead subscribers. So if you're a content creator that's been through the exact same thing I just explained, then subscribe to this channel and let's figure it out together. I'm not even going to pretend that I haven't figured it out because I don't. But I am going to show you what figuring it out actually looks like as an introvert who just wants to make nice, high quality, cinematic content and build a real community and a real channel. So I will continue putting out new videos every week as I have been doing for the last past year and a half. With that being said, it's your boy, your Uncle Rico, also known as the Introverted Creator. Till the next episode, people. Peace.